In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to connect Fireflies AI to N8N to automate transcription and meeting insights. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more automation tips. Start by opening your N8N workflow editor. Click the plus button to add a new node. Then type Fireflies in the search bar. Select the official Fireflies AI node to add it to your canvas. This node lets you configure actions like automatic meeting transcription or extracting key insights. Next, input the required credentials and configure options based on your workflow needs. You can set triggers or actions that run when specific events happen in connected apps. Use N8N's drag and drop interface to arrange nodes and create a smooth automated sequence. Before enabling, double-check all inputs and connections to ensure everything works correctly. Once set, activate your workflow. Congratulations, you've successfully integrated Fireflies AI with N8N. Now, you can automate transcription, note taking, and meeting analysis, saving time and boosting productivity. Explore additional nodes to expand your workflow and maximize efficiency. Thanks for watching and happy automating.